Hi, this is Jessie Neese from the Tech Teach Grow team, here with another tech tip of the week.
Hey everyone, today we're going to head back to Canva and we're going to take a look at some of the cool tools embedded within presenter mode. Remember, once you're logged in with Canva, you're going to come over here to the left, choose templates, and today I'm going to explore some templates that are already made in English for teaching English. Here's 4 types of sentences. I'm going to choose to customize this template, and you'll see all of the slides already over here, and I'm just going to apply all of those to my deck. And just to preview these, we can take a look at them. We have today's agenda, lesson objectives, and then going through the 4 different types of sentences. Now, what's great about presenting here within Canva and not exporting this to a Google slide deck is that I have some fun tools that are unique to Canva. So I'm going to choose to present here. You see that great animation that comes with all of the different pieces. And then I can advance just like normal, bringing in my next one. But now I can use a series of magic commands to engage my audience. Anything from the letter B to blur the screen for a moment if I want to just speak to my audience, capture their attention, make sure their attention is on the speaker and not on the presentation. B again to unblur. If I want to have a dramatic drum roll, or possibly some confetti, or even a mic drop. All of these cool tools are able to be accessed using a single letter key. Anything from the letter B to blur, O for bubbles, M for mic drop, C for confetti, and so on. Beyond this, there's another exciting way that you can engage with your audience. You can click here on the 3-dot menu and share remote control. Copying this link, if I open up a different device, or if I want to send this via chat or email this link to a friend or a collaborator who is working with me to help me present, I don't need a remote control. They can remotely control my presentation, advancing the slides back and forth, and then even using some of these cool magic shortcuts. Again, blur, bubbles, a quiet, a curtain call, a drum roll, confetti, and a mic drop. So as they're advancing the slides, you can see that they're going to come back to here, and they've advanced the slides with their remote control. So a great way to make use of a co-presenter and have them help you out so that you are free to talk and engage and roam around with your audience. I hope these tools excite you as much as they do me and give you some great new ways to present with content that's already created for you, and then an opportunity to engage your audience.